All right, so where are we now?
Hello, we are here the no people working shop.
Okay,
Welcome.
let's go. Who's this guy?
Mr. Wang, we are
Mr. Wang.
introduce our go around.
All right.
So appearance inspection. 什么产品
Where's the beginning?
Here.
This beginning?
Yes. 测的什么产品 It's a tablet, PC board.
Tablet. 3 rock chip.
这是 rock chip.
30288.
What's there? What's going on here?
It's a QA inspection.
What does it show on the screen?
Show the, you know, it's a tablet PC, so their output. So we will check the photo, the picture is formal or not. Color, sound.
All right. What did you do?
Packing. Inspection.
To go where?
All these workshop for inspection.
Inspection workshop.
Yes.
It's very important.
Very important. We will make sure the PCB board 100% good.
All right. Where do we go? So
Test. For test. 是另外一条线还是？
就是说后面一个环节，他们那边呼吸 pass 过来以后，
呼吸 pass 还有测试。
对，他们这边是那个嘛，他们看的是外观嘛，然后这个是功能测试。
It's for function inspection.
Sound.
Yes.
这个办法。
这是测什么的？
测 F900的。
测什么功能？
测很多个嘛，有按键，有视频的高清。
这是，这。
What's over there?
The machine is for PCB board cut away.
Okay.
Yes. $1个小时可以分多少块啊？1个小时啊。
分好了都上了，要等。
分好的我都出了4G 和8G 的，都出了。
压三。
What is she doing?
insert the material. Jet. Insert. Big components.
What is this product?
It's HDMI jet.
This is HDMI stick.
Yes.
Which CPU here?
这个是什么 CPU？ 哪个 CPU？
What's it for?
这个是
What is the product?
stick.
Android stick. A bunch of stick. Bunch of sticks. What is this? Something else, no? Box? MID?
Tablet.
A lot of soldering. How about here?
这就是下载软件。
It's download the software, the APK.
On the stick.
Yes.
Can we turn around? Oh, here. Can we look? Can you show? One. What CPU here?
Look chip. 不是。Another chips.
Another one, okay.
Yes.
这个是
It's rock chip.
Here's rock chip. Right. You show one?
3188T.
Oh, 1 second. Need to try to focus. Okay. Got it. Nice. 3188T. You turn? How many in one day to make?
1000, 10,000. 多少？一天可以。
3,000 run here. Installing software, yeah?
Yes. Upgrade.
Actions update.
This is box for rock chip quad core.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Rock chip quad core.
Or USB port.
Nice. You turn. All right. Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
This is rock chip HDMI dongle.
What is it checking here?
这个是什么？就是
测版的测版时间，
充一个电，这把
Power
电
on
快。
tester. Power on tester.
Power on test.
Yeah. Please.
What is this machine?
这点胶机。
Oh, sorry.
Is it glue? All right. So here, if you can sum up, this place here is what is it? Test quality.
For all the testing.
Yeah.
So from the appearance, from the function, and the software, upgrading.
And-
So one day about 3,000.
All right.
Yes. Make sure all the goods 100% the past.